got this floodlight from Gardenreet. Inside is the floodlight itself, and it's solid brass. It's weatherproof and it's flexible. Has a little knob right here to allow for it to adjust. It's safe and energy efficient and super easy to install. So this is the main part of it, the stake, and this is what you'll put into the ground to keep it stable. And then also in the box, of course, it comes with a light. So now I'm going to show you the install. So it comes already together with the guard and with the fixture. What you'll do is just take the screws out. You'll use a flat head to help with that. I've already loosened it. Take the guard off. You'll install the light. I have the light right here. There's 2 slots. You just press it in. So now the light is attached. Put the fixture back on. Put the screws in. Now you'll take the wire and you'll stick it through the stake. And then you'll be able to screw this on. Now you can go ahead and stick this wherever you are going to use it, under a tree, in front of your house, to see the address or the door. One thing you'll need though, in order to connect the wire, you'll need a cable and a low voltage transformer, and those are purchased separately. But once you get those, you connect the wire to them, and then you can go ahead and start using your floodlight. I'm going to show you what it looks like outside. You can see right here, looks nice, looks working pretty well, and it lights up our door pretty good.